Hey there, welcome to Tech Update. I'm recording this video on GoPro Hero 8 Black, and you might find this video a little shaky because I'm holding the device in my hands. Few smartphone manufacturing companies like OnePlus, Xiaomi, and Samsung started rolling out their 5G smartphones. And what is the reality of a 5G network, especially here in India and across the globe? Even after many years, we don't find proper 4G signal in many locations in India. And in few remote locations, it's difficult to find even a 2G signal, and that's a reality. One of my friends living in Metro City complained they don't find a proper 4G signal from any operator, and that sucks. And what is the reality of 5G network? 5G network has not been rolled out even in developed countries like United States and United Kingdom. And the testing has been limited to few cities itself, like Washington DC and New York City. Here in India, 5G spectrum allocations has not been happened yet, and it's gonna take a while due to COVID-19 situation. And unlike 4G signals, 5G signals are pretty shorter in length. I mean, their wavelength is very small and they can't travel longer distances. And also, it's difficult for the 5G signals to go through walls. So, to experience faster 5G network, we need to change the whole infrastructure, which means that we need to install smaller antennas in every street so that we can experience better 5G speeds. To change a network capacity to that level, even a big company like Jio takes at least a couple of years. We know that Jio has rolled out their fiber network a year ago, and still uh, they're not competing with major companies like Act FiberNet or Hathway Internet, etc. So, what's my point here is what is the use of buying a 5G smartphone at even when you don't have a 5G network? I'm expecting 5G network testing will start here in India at least by the end of 2021, and we're going to start experiencing 5G speeds in metro cities probably from the beginning of 2022. So, buying a 5G smartphone at this point of time sounds like a dead investment to me. So, what do you think? Do you still buy a 5G smartphone or save some bucks? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching my video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the updates. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you. GoPro, stop recording.